So today I'm going to make the two drawers that go on the bottom of these and make them pull out.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today Maggie's going to work on making the pull-out drawers for our two cabinets, and that was always part of the plan, but you know, when we had a whole house to build, that kind of fell by the wayside. But Maggie is pretty much, I'd consider her a master woodworker and cabinet builder, and so now she's going to come back and pick those up, and I managed to get her to film it, and I'm just putting it together now because I enjoy watching her work. Maggie put these pull-out drawers together pretty much with just the scrap we had left over from building the rest of the house, other than the plywood. Now, one thing we have found out with these pull-out drawers, especially if you're going to build them yourself in this kind of homestead fashion, is make sure you buy good drawer glides. We've been frustrated and fought with cheap drawer glides enough that we don't mess with them anymore. We buy the better ones, and it's money well spent. With the glides installed inside the cabinets, now it's time to put together the pull-out drawers. And to the barn we go. This is the Harbor Freight Hercules 10-inch job site bench top table saw. And I'll tell you what, we bought this thing as soon as we started working on this house, and it has cut every board in here. Man, it has been a heck of a tool. So if you're looking for something like that, highly recommended. We've got this dust collection system in here pretty much dialed in now. And I'll tell you what, yes, there's still sawdust on the floor, but there's way less of it than if we didn't have that system. Well, no system's perfect, and that's a comment generator. Let us know what you think about the dust collection system. So Maggie grew up pretty much in her dad's wood shop, and he always taught to measure off your fence to the inside of the blade and do it on both sides of the blade to make sure you get a square cut. So every table saw has a scale on the fence rail, but I'll tell you what, if you measure it, it can't be wrong. This piece of plywood was almost square. And to make sure you cut off the right end, measure twice, cut once. One of the cardinal rules in the wood shop is turn the saw off when you're not actually cutting. Don't be walking around with a saw running. It just leads to trouble. The way Maggie learned to make drawers in her dad's wood shop is to take the four sides and screw them together, then glue that to the drawer bottom. And there's other ways to do it, but I'll tell you what, there's a whole bunch of drawers in cabinets around here that were made exactly this way. Between her and her dad, they've probably been making cabinets for 60 years anyway. These drawers are native hardwoods. So to do that, you've got to drill it, you've got to countersink it, and then finally put the screw in. And you could do all that with one drill and 3 different drivers, but man, if you can have 3 drills, why wouldn't you? The least enjoyable part of any woodworking project is gluing. And I'll tell you what, I've gotten to the point I don't even like being in the garage when it's time to glue. Gluing is tedious and stressful, and it's got to be done right. It's just not a fun time. Now the drawer's put together and the glue is dried, and she's just going to go ahead and route the edges off so there's no sharp edges on these drawers. Makes for a really nice finished look. So by putting spacers underneath the finished drawer and then running the door glides out and screwing them in as you go along, you end up getting your drawer put in, and it works pretty slick. As you work your way out, eventually you don't need the shims anymore, and you can either pull them out, or in this case, they just kind of popped out. Worked well. And the first one's done. Great job, Maggie. Everybody give Maggie a thumbs up for that. And on to number 2. And through the magic YouTube editing, number 2 is done. What a great job. We sure appreciate you watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel. And we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day and be safe.
Thanks, everybody. Really appreciate you watching.